Sige, okay na.
Just detachable, okay?
For now, it's still not like uncertainties.
Nak, learn as much as you can, nak. Dagan pa ka ikag-angay i-learn. Do not act like you know everything, okay?
I just have one issue, such as like, how do we be not sinful on parenting?
Ang Ginoo na ana journal dili ikaw ang mutudlo namo ang Ginoo. Gani. Do not teach
Right?
us.
Sa fruit of the spirit is
Ikaw dahil mo lecture namo.
what's up?
All ang imo nga responsibility to obey lang. Children, obey your parents. If you do that, then everything will be fine in the house. If parents are kanang having one with parenting, it's God who will teach us, not you. Always remember that, huh?
Everything around us is God.
Ganyan.
Di lang good lang like sa'yo. Di po exempted.
Pwede ilista nimo tanang lessons nga mong itudlo nimo para you won't keep on repeating it.
Oh,
Para di pod ko magsigig repeat ina.
mag-install po ko like battery remind.
Dili reminder lagi pero di man gyapon ko wake up. Ako may tigbuan sa imong
Hindi alarm reminder. And you still put the
I'm not putting, I'm not blaming you. I already explained it's the act. It's not you, Junior. It's your act of not. Ay, dili. Hapon. Tubang na kanan nyo to.
Nagawa na na. Ay, kalingaw.
Just a natural
course. Of course, but di po din natin like
Say sorry but mami. Sometimes.
Sorry naman po ni.
Sorry.
I already explained na I am not personally blaming him. I am just disappointed of the act, not the person. You should understand that every time, ha?
Pagkadako sa gugma mo, kanako, Jesus. Sa March for Jesus na, kitang duha mag-sing na. And in the style of that event, dili siya praise and worship, mami. Kanang kanra, mga kanra ba? Mura na ba kuan?